is a W mod, man. Changed the whole look of the car. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? In today's video, what I will be doing is a modification to my Charger. What we'll be doing is tinting out my tail lights. So we're gonna see, man, how much. I heard some crawling. We're gonna see how much of a difference does tinting my tail lights make. Tools I will be using is a squeegee and a blade, and that should be all I need, honestly. And I also got pre-cut rolls to save myself some time. So man, let's open our little pre-cut rolls. If you decide to do this, you can either want to get pre-cut rolls, or you can get some of your own tint. Just do it like that, freestyle, without the pre-cut rolls. On tint, I think it'll come out more smoother because you won't have to worry about everything not lining up. First piece, as y'all can see, and I'm sure this will go somewhere. We're finna figure that out. Man, so we got our first piece of vinyl. And remember, this is 20%. I believe this will simply go right there. It got a plastic liner on it, but I don't know. But this side is sticky already, so we're gonna see though. Okay, I just pulled the plastic liner back a little bit, and the plastic liner is just basically keeping the tint clean. So let's go ahead and put this side on right here. So we don't want to curve into place around here really, because get a flashlight. Because of the tension right there, it don't want to curve into place, so you might gonna need a heat gun to get that down. So let's see what my heat gun to do. If we can get better results with the heat gun. Results with the heat gun, and I actually went on here and took off the plastic, and taking off the plastic makes it easier for it to lay down. So take off the plastic, man, after you at least got it flattened out good. Now it's time to grab our blade and just cut off this axis right here, and we'll be done with this one so far. Okay, so man, y'all see, man, we got this light done. Now let's move on to these, and I'm also doing a brake light. So far, man, I'm honestly liking the look of it, but them corners you really don't want to stick around them corners here, and I don't know what to do about it. So don't work like wrap, because wrap you just heat it up and stretch it into a stick, but this don't work like that at all. So we're gonna see, man. I just found out that I'm installing it wrong. I'm supposed to be using soap and water. So yeah, I messed up on that bad. So we're gonna use soap and water on the others though. So like I said, man, on the other side, we're gonna try some soap and water and see if that makes it better results than how the fuck you just get out the house. And y'all look at this, man. With the water, it doesn't even want to lay down on the creases. Look. Man, I should just kept everything dry. Alright, y'all, so man, here we go. I'm still working on it, getting cuts and all that, because it won't be still and stuff. But honestly, man, I like doing it dry better. The wet is so much harder than doing it dry. So the big light, I'm doing it completely dry, because this wet, it's just too time consuming and all that, man. But and they won't even stay in peace and stuff, even when I heat it. So we gonna do that dry. Now what I'm doing is trying to get the brake light on. It didn't come with a piece to hand for the backup mirror, but it came for a piece, whatever this does right here. I don't know. So yeah, man, we're getting that on. Then we're gonna do this right here, and then we'll be done for the day. It honestly looks pretty good from a distance until you try to inspect it. It got a couple crinkles and stuff in it, but yeah. So would I rather for you to spray paint it or just get tint? All my other cars I spray painted. Only thing about it, when you spray paint it like that, is that it's forever permanent, So I'd probably rather go to 10-way low key, but yeah, the tint just a little more time consuming and precision to it. But yeah, man, this is how we looking so far. This is what my main concern was, how the 345 badge was gonna look with the tint, because I did not like the look, but it looked like the 345 badge is gonna look better when I finish the tint. Then I get that Charger bag black too. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and finish off this brake light and then cut around it for my backup camera. All right, man, so we got the brake light and we got this cut out, camera cut out. Y'all can see, man, that look like, it's like little wrinkles like that, bro, that I can't do nothing about, bro. That's the bad thing about the tint. But now let's go ahead and knock out this right here. Now on to the big part. This should be easier because it is completely flat. like it's flat. So this should be 10 times easier doing the big part. Okay, so we got one side done. That was pretty easy. As you can see, and it's all coming along. Now we just gotta do this middle part and we'll be done with everything. So yeah, man. Well, I just gotta cut it. I gotta cut it still, but it's coming along and looking good. So yo, man, we have not finished, but y'all see how it has came together. But we gotta finish cutting around that and squeeging it off, man. Make it give it more perfection look. So yeah, I'm finna finish off that, man. We'll pretty much be done with everything. And so, man, this is the finished results, and I like the results, man. This shit looks so good, y'all. This is a W mod, man. Changed the whole look of the car. There goes y'all a better look at it, man, outside of the garage. Yeah, I'm feeling this shit. It's hard. Should make the car look so much better. It's tough.